This phantom wallet holds over $6.1 million from Memecoins. No luck, no signals, just a system that anyone can copy. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Chapter 1. Overview of token creation. Take a look at my phantom wallet, $6.13 million, all purely made from making crypto meme coins. Not by trading, not by guessing, just by using a method that keeps printing. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Now, as you guys may know, I used to trade crypto meme coins every single day trying to become fucking rich, but it never worked. Why? Because every time I bought into a brand new meme coin thinking I was gonna make profits, something really bad happened. Well, I bought in a coin and I got rug pulled. This happened over and over again. I basically became exit liquidity, and I'm sure this exact scenario happened to you guys a couple times, and that's exactly when it hit me. The winners in this space are not trading meme coins. They're not. They're actually deving them, because when you launch your own coins, you decide everything from the supply, the launch time, and the whole narrative. You've got nothing to lose by launching your own coins because you were the one building the coin, not buying. You are just creating for free and then dumping for profits over and over again. This is exactly why I switched from trading to deving, because now I can simply flip $0 into a couple $1,000s and just do it over and over again, because this method is repeatable. And right now, Bitcoin and Solana are fucking pumping. This is your moment to start. You guys need to keep watching because I will be showing you a unique method. But obviously, this whole video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice, so please don't copy me. Chapter 3. Token creation. Now, most people or most Memecoin devs tend to go to pump.fun to launch their own coins. But on this platform, pump.fun is overcrowded. In 2025, bro, this does not work anymore. If you want to take this seriously now, thousands of coins are launching every single day and most never even get traction. That's exactly why it's overflooded. When you create a Memecoin on the Solana blockchain, your coin has to reach a $95,000 market cap for it to even be graduated onto the Radium DEX. That takes too long and you have to get lucky. It's like winning a lottery ticket. It's impossible. And that's exactly why I switched to solanatokenlabs.io, because on this platform, bro, everyone has a chance to make some bread. Now on this platform, all your coins launch directly onto the Radium DEX, which means it will be immediately migrated and it will be shown to tens and thousands of potential traders, which will give your project real exposure, by the way. And that's the beauty of solanatokenlabs.io. You get full control, you get faster launches and more eyes on your coin, bro. It's get tipped to the max. And this is exactly why thousands of devs are coming to this platform. Now, here's how to do it on solanatokenlabs.io. You have two different ways to go about it to launch a Memecoin, and it's up to you. The first method is to start from scratch, which means you are creating your own custom coin from scratch with a name, symbol, and image, obviously, right? Chapter 2. Hunting viral meme coin. So go on X and look for a narrative to make a meme coin off of. It could be like anything, right? Let me see if I could find something like LeBron James right here in a movie. What else? Donald Trump, anything that's politics, news, Elon Musk. They all do really well. Like this robot right here just got launched. That's a really good narrative. I'm pretty sure someone made a coin out of that. Let's see what else there is. But yeah, bro, you get how it works. You have a narrative and then come back to solanatokenlabs.io. All right, let's launch this coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how simple and fast the whole process is. But for my new viewers today, I make manual token to clear the science behind the token creation. Connect your wallet, you'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this Ween and shortening it to Ween to keep it catchy. Upload the logo you just downloaded, hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply, we'll need it later. For the description, I'm writing WEEN. Just click next and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Radium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. Next screen asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through pump.fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on Solana tokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or mo like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. Checking SolScan as we speak. Perfect, it's live. Chapter 4, add liquidity to the token. Anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's easy, we're creating the liquidity pool, but now the next step, setting up a liquidity pool. Moving forward, return to Solana tokenlabs.io and select create liquidity pool, which will immediately transition you to Radium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. Now the essential step, making our meme token the foundation. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to Solana tokenlabs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Radium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting WEEN as the symbol and WEEN as the project name. Press add user token to confirm, then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.5 SO fee from your total amount cause of the creation fee I'm pointing out. The fee tier should be set at 0.25%. After triple checking all your inputs, select initialize liquidity pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational and the coin is tradable. Chapter 5, promoting Memecoin. Alright, so promoting your meme coin has never been easier. Forget about wasting hours posting on Telegram and Reddit. That old school method is dead. Today, I'm showing you how I use promotememes.com to get instant exposure across Dex Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and even Twitter and Telegram, plus how to build a free professional website for your coin in seconds. Let's get into it. Once you're on promotememes.com, connect your Solana wallet. I'm using Phantom here. Click connect wallet, confirm the pop-up, and that's it. Wallet connected, ready to go. Before I show you the flow, take a second to scroll. You'll see why this platform's a game changer. It's trusted by top tracking platforms, promotes across 20 plus crypto sites, and even gives you visibility on DEX tools and SolScan automatically. It's literally your one-stop launch companion. Alright, now back to the form. I'm pasting my token address right here. Just grab yours from solanatokenlabs.io and drop it in. Next, pick your promotion type. They've got a free 1-minute test, but I'm going with the advanced 60 minutes option. It costs 0.5 SOL and shows the full potential. Here's the fun part. This new update lets you instantly create a free website for your token. Just toggle on include free website. Upload your logo, enter your token name. I'll name this one Ween, and select your launch platform like Radium or LaunchLab. Pick your theme. I usually go with dark, then confirm, done. The website preferences are saved automatically. Now we're ready to go. Hit pay and promote. The phantom window pops up. Unlock your wallet, confirm the transaction, and watch the process in real time. It's building your website and promoting your token at the same time. Literally hands-free. Almost done, and boom, website ready. It shows your custom website link. Just copy it or click visit website. Let's check it out. Here's our live token website, fully generated in under 2 minutes. We've got the logo, token name, and live on Solana badge. Scrolling down, you can see all the sections already filled. Token details, supply, tokenomics, buy buttons, in even real-time chart tracking links for Dex Screener, GMGN, Bird Eye, and Dex tools. It looks completely professional and instantly ready to share. Now here's what makes this so powerful. While your website's live, the system automatically shares your coin across all major crypto communities: Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and smaller alpha groups that you wouldn't even find manually. So for the next hour, your coin gets visibility everywhere. No manual posting, no burnout. Within minutes, you'll start seeing chart activity on Dex Screener, live trades, real traction, and early buyers jumping in. This is the same automation I use for every launch. Click on View on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on Dex Screener and copy paste the address right here. Right, and then let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. It has to load in. We're actually late. Come on, come on, bro. And as you guys can see, we are popping. Let's go. Come on. We're already up a couple hundred, 1.6k market cap. Come on. It has a pump now. The chart might look funky at the beginning, but after a couple seconds, it is going to stabilize and go up and up and up. That's the beauty of daving coins, bro, because every single time you launch a Memecoin, you are losing nothing. You're creating for free, and then you're waiting for organic buyers to come in from Memescope, from Axum, from GMGN, from any trading platform. Pump, bro, pump. I just want one big bomb, bro. Come on now. Oh my God, let's go. Oh my God, bro. So many buys. Okay, let's burn the coin. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Pump. Yeah, bro. Come on. Yes. Oh my God, bro. This is what we need to see. Come on, bro. Oh my God, we just made like $400 right here or some. I don't even know how much we made. Oh my God, guys, I love this. Oh my God, it's still going. It's actually still going, guys. Yo, we might be able to like cash out right now, literally, if we wanted to. I think I'm gonna give this coin a bit more time, okay? And then I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I am back. We are pushing $5,000 in market cap. We have really good volume, really good transactions, and a high liquidity. Now it's the best time to start, cashing out profit. Chapter 6, remove liquidity from the token. To exit your position, head over to Radium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the standard button you'll find at the bottom area, and there is your current position profit time. First click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. Ignore everything except the sol value. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is. Confirmation received and money in hand. Nothing beats this high. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much we made, and for proof, boom, $1,860 went straight inside my Phantom wallet, and it's legit. You guys can see, bro, I'm not fucking lying, bro, that the method is actually insane, bro. You guys need to start trying this before it's too late. Well, I think it will never be too late, but yeah, bro,